we need to determine the unit vector in the direction of the vector c. Okay, let us begin. Now first, let's note down the given vector. So here we have c vector given by 3 times I cap added to 4 times j cap added to negative 12 times k cap. So the vector c has got components of 3 along the x-axis, 4 units along the y-axis, and negative 12 along the z-axis. Now what we'll do, we'll try to find out its magnitude. Now the magnitude of vector c, so that's given by, all we have to do is take the square root. Underneath the square root, we'll have to take the sum of square. So we'll start with coefficient of I cap, that's 3, square this value, added to the square of coefficient of j cap, so that's 4 squared, added to negative 12 squared. Now let's find out this value. So we have the square root of 9 plus 16 plus 144. So that's going to give us a value square root of 169. So 169 is a perfect square, so its square root is going to be 13. So now we have the magnitude of vector c. Our next goal will be to find out the unit vector in the direction of c vector. So this is given by, so we have to consider the vector c and divide it by its magnitude. We already have c vector, so that's 3i cap plus 4j cap plus negative 12k cap, and we will divide it by 13 such that we get 3 over 13 I cap added to 4 over 13 j cap added to negative 12 over 13 k cap. So this is going to be the unit vector in the direction of vector c. We can verify that it's indeed a unit vector. All we have to do is find the magnitude of this vector, and it's going to give us a value equals to 1.